Alright, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the voice of FX Adventure, and of course I'm reaching you guys all the way from planet Earth. On today's video, we'll be looking at DXY for today's directional bias. For the guys that have been following my content right on all of our social media platform, my FX Adventure, both on YouTube and Facebook. If you've been following our content for this week, we've been posting every day our directional bias on DXY, and for yesterday's directional bias we speculated that we should anticipate a selling DXY. And for the guys that wonder why we look at DXY, obviously we look at DXY because of what we call currency correlation. But I believe if you've been joining us each and step we've been taking here on this channel, you would probably understand why we always look at DXY. All right, without wasting time, we'll go straight to the chart. We'll look at the previous day, how that played out based on the directional bias we had and what we anticipate for today. Okay, so yesterday we speculated that we anticipate for price to take out the Thursday liquidity grab. Then after that we should expect a massive sell-off on DXY. While price did not reach the liquidity grab, we were able to pinpoint a 4-hour fair value gap. For the guys that are wondering how I'm coming up with this information, if you go watch the video I posted yesterday, you would see all the market condition and the live market when we did those analysis. All right, so from here, from here is from yesterday. As you can see, throughout yesterday, market sold off up to this point that I'm making this video right about now, and you can see market is still running down here on DXY. And of course, if you know already that it's selling on DXY, pretty much you know that in the major pairs they would of course be buying. And our call yesterday was a selling DXY, which will equate to a buying major pairs. What do I mean by the buying major pairs? In the likes of Euro USD, British Pound USD, Aussie Dollar USD, and also gold, etc., they will most likely experience bullish pressure whenever DXY is going down. And for the guys that are wondering if I really follow through with my daily analysis and speculation, of course I do follow through with them. Maybe one of these days I will show you guys my trading history and other history, so that you guys would pretty much understand that whatever I give out here is exactly what I do on daily basis. Okay, so let's go straight again to what we anticipate today here on DXY. What I anticipate today is maybe a reversal after all the liquidity has been taken out. And for me, I think price has pretty much taken the liquidity grab that we anticipated for yesterday, which was this low. All right, that rectangular line that I just added now, that was the low, and you can see that liquidity has already been grabbed and price has pretty much traded way below and up and beyond it. So what we anticipate right now is if we see any form of accumulation that will be forming, then we would anticipate after that accumulation forms, maybe something like this. All right, once the accumulation forms, what we want to see is some level of manipulation that would happen downwards before coming back up. Then we would start chasing back that liquidity grab. Remember, we pointed out before this week started. So that is what I anticipate for today's price action. So the market condition is right now we can see price is extending downwards, and the reason why we see this is because of the liquidity grab we pointed out. So pretty much price is just going to grab them, and I believe once after the grab, due to the fact we have a very nice extension here, price might want to range a little bit. Then after that ranging, we anticipate a manipulation downwards to flip us back up to continue this trend going back up. All right, this is the market condition that I have for today. Another way we can make it a little bit easier is if you go to the 5-minute time frame. At the time we see price starts to go above the 200 exponential moving average, that's another market condition to look out for your buy entry, which will be happening on DXY. But of course, I don't recommend you trading DXY. I use DXY to get an understanding of what market is currently doing on the Forex market, and with that understanding I will now be going towards the likes of the Euro USD and British Pound USD to pretty much pick out my entries. And of course you can see this drawing here. This was from yesterday. This is on Euro USD, and you can see pretty much how that just tapped in our TP, and that's that about that. All right, like I said before, if you want to gain an understanding of how we came about this directional bias that I'm just pointing out, that is for yesterday's price action. The video is on our social media platforms, both on YouTube and also on Facebook. All right, that's that for us today. For today we are anticipating that after this sell-off we should see some level of pullback or reversal that will throw us back into a buying trend again here on DXY. But peradventure that doesn't happen, it means we don't have to take any action. We just have to fold our arms and watch price play out. But that's the market condition I'm looking for, and I'm looking for where DXY will be done grabbing all liquidity. Then after that, give us some reversal setup, and of course once we see that, we'll be looking to be selling any Forex major pairs in the likes of Euro USD, British Pound USD or Aussie Dollar USD. But that will be after DXY is done taking out all this liquidity, which is a resulting factor of the bearish trend that we made yesterday. All right, so that's that about that. I hope all the information we give you here is a helpful one, and of course I'll see you guys in my next video. Remember to be safe out there, and of course happy trading guys. Take care and God bless you. Bye bye for now.